This is a Philco 48-1000 TV from 1948, and I'm getting ready to do a total recap, so I wanted to just do a short little video of the set working, so in case I screw it up I can at least prove that, hey, it did work at one time. On the top of the set you see a DTV converter to give me a signal. I think it's on channel 5, not sure. You can see a voltmeter, and that's set to the power supply voltage so I can monitor it as I slowly bring the set up. I have a variac hooked up here, and right now it's set at 60 volts, so we'll bring it up fairly slowly. Set is now on. You can see the voltage starting to go up. Normal supply voltage in this set's about 330 to 340. So I'll give it about a minute or so here. Let the tube filaments come on, warm up a little. You'll see the voltage starting to drop as the tubes warm up and start to draw current. So I'm going to start slowly bringing it up. We'll bring her up to, this variac has got 12 volt increments on the dial, so let's bring it to 72. Should start seeing something pretty soon. Put this here. There we are. Picture's starting to come up now. The sync isn't quite there yet, but it will be. Let's give it a little more. Let's bring it up to about 96 volts. And you can start hearing the sound here. We're almost there. She's starting to lock in. See, right now the main supply voltage is a little bit low. Let's say we're almost there. Let's bring up the full line. So the sound is kind of crackly, but we'll let me adjust the exposure here. I haven't used this camera for doing exposures like this yet, so there we go. We'll bring the exposure down. That looks good. I'm going to adjust the brightness. Okay. See what the power supply voltage is. We're pretty close to the normal maximum here. At about 340. Okay, let's bring the line up to about 110. I also have a watt meter here. We're drawing about 230 watts, so this set makes a nice space heater. The power supply voltage is sitting at about 350. As you can see. So as you can see, the set works not too badly. Unfortunately, as the set warms up, things will start going bad and the picture will fade out. Now I'm going to fade her out for a second and we'll show you the chassis in operation. Okay, here's the chassis in operation. I don't know if I put this thing in, turn the lights off. Alright. And we put her in night shot. I wonder if we'll be able to see the
Admiral Mike Mullen and
tubes
General
lit up a little
Stanley
bit better.
McChrystal. I think in many ways the military feels dismissed by the president because
So I think
they're
this
not
kicks in the
listening to
infrared
the military advice.
little.
I've heard a lot of people talking about
So you can see
Eric
the
Shinseki. He was the general
glowing
back
tubes a
when the
little better.
Iraq War started who recommended a couple of 100,000 troops to secure
Now we're
Iraq.
going to show
His
you
advice was dismissed.
All right, potential
what
rift
the
between the military and the White
real
House.
problem with the set is.
Arthur Radcliffe. Now to the toll being
That's
taken
back on.
from America's other war.
As you can see, there's a thermistor
Senate committee heard grim
attached to
testimony
that
today about U.S. troops whose
cannon
status
capacity in the back there. One of the main filters. And the temperature down here is about 70 degrees, and you can see it says 87, and it's going up. So the capacitor is definitely leaky. So that's not a good thing. And like I said, it's definitely the reasons I'm going to be recapping the set. Because after a while the voltage will start dropping, and the power will start going up, and I don't really want to push it. As you see, it's starting to go up now. It was around 235. It's slowly going up. That extra 6 watts is going into the capacitor, heating it up. So now we're at 91 degrees. So I think I've shown enough. We've heated it up enough. So let's put the set to sleep. And there we are.